right, in this video, we're going to explore our portfolio. All right, so where your market timing indicator is on the members page, right underneath it, you'll see a link that says View Portfolio. And by clicking on this, you will go to the portfolio page. And over here, if it's your first time in, you're going to be getting instructions over here, okay? Then over here on the right, you're going to have your where you could add your trades. But the nice thing about here is we want everyone to become a millionaire. I don't care where you're starting. You know, if you have 10,000 to start, 1,000, 500,000, I want you to be a millionaire. So what I've done is we've incorporated some goals in here. So let's show you how this works. So today's date, my last trade was 11/14. We had a buy for TZA. So I'm going to put that in here. And the buy price, 41.01. I believe that's what it was. And let's say I bought 100 shares, okay? So then I would add my trade. Now, when your trade gets added, it's going to be right up in here, okay? So you're going to see that I bought 100 shares of TZA. It was a 41.01 price. And then down here, it's going to show me my assets that are held. And for 100 shares, 100 times 41.01, I invested $4,101. And I'm currently holding 100 shares of TZA, and the current price is $37.51 each. And, all right, so now over here, it's going to tell me, well, I'm a level 1 trader. I'm just starting out. There are 10 levels, and when you get to the 10th level, you're going to be a millionaire. So right here, my next goal is to achieve $10,000 in profits. So I won't go to a level 2 until I get those 10,000. So we're going to take baby steps, and we'll get that 10,000 first. Then we'll go for 100. Then we'll go for 250. And after, by the time you get there, the rest of it's just going to start piling on, and it'll finish really quick, and you'll just zoom through the different levels here. Now, if you do make a mistake, and let's say you don't want this trade or any trade, even if you have a long list of trades, you just select the ones you want and then click the trash icon, and that will be deleted. There's no way to edit your trade, so all you can do is add or delete. And fortunately, it's very simple and easy to add. So if you did delete one by mistake, you can replace it really quickly. All right, so that's what the portfolio is for. It allows you to keep track of, you know, your road to wealth and the amount of your holdings of your shares and what they're worth today. So I hope you found that helpful, and check out my other videos, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can be alerted every time I release a video. All right, thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video.